What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hopped LA Events on Tap.
Episode 53!
Covering all of the awesome things happening in LA beer this week. And in episode 53, we are drinking one of our favorites from Three Weavers Brewing Company. Brand new in 16-ounce cans. This one is Blood Junkie with the badass can design.
Yeah, they just released this one, last week?
About a week ago, I would say. This one, fresh as can be. Canned on October 1st.
Yeah, very fresh. This is an Imperial Red Ale and dry hopped like crazy. So super bitter, full body. I'm really excited to dive into this year's version. This is kind of a yearly favorite for me.
Yes, and I think the nice thing about the 16-ounce can, because this thing is dangerously drinkable, you can finally just, pick one off, have one, instead of the 22-ounce bomber.
The 22-ounce was a commitment, and this one, I think, is much more approachable. And the art on the can, the label, is badass, and it looks so good in that 16-ounce can.
Pour these babies out.
Let's do it.
Hold on for a sec there. Grab this bad boy. Let's do it. 2016 gold medal in the World Beer Cup. 8.7%.
I think every year this beer gets better and better. It's really good. Yeah, juicy color, nice dark amber. Like you can tell this one's gonna be good. And kind of the off-white head that just sits on top of it. Ooh, it's got like that West Coast IPA nose with a little bit of like caramel sweetness.
Yes.
Let's give it a whirl.
Crowbars up.
That is beer right there.
Wow.
Yeah, you can taste that dry hop. I think it's double dry hop.
Double dry hopped.
Yeah. Big bitterness.
And it definitely shows. But man, this thing with the nice malt sweetness to it, it just is paired perfectly with the hop profile.
Piney, dank, like overripe, almost like fermented orange that's sitting in the grass after it fell off your tree for a couple weeks. Just slightly tropical, slightly citrus, but just big and piney and dank.
So you guys know what to do. Go to your local bottle shop, pick up Blood Junkie. I keep trying to turn the can to see the label here. There we go.
It looks good.
There you go.
Yeah,
pick up
this
Blood
beer
Junkie.
up. It's so good.
Fantastic beer by Three Weavers. You will not be disappointed. All right, we got a jam-packed show full of events. So let's get right into it.
Let's do it.
Kicking it off with our featured event for the week, happening Saturday, October 13th, starting at 12:30 p.m. It's CraftoberFest Los Angeles, happening at the Rose Bowl in Pasadena. Now, this is the epic Oktoberfest celebration of the year in LA. The participating list of breweries is insane. Very carefully curated, featuring several Los Angeles-based breweries, local, independent. Sounds fucking amazing. What do we have going on the promo codes?
Yeah, so we have a promo code. You're going to get $5 off general admission tickets and $10 off VIP. Use Hopped LA at checkout to get that. The beer list is ridiculous, so jump on those tickets immediately. hoppedla.com/events. The listing's right at the very top. Do it right now. All right, so our first event of the week is happening Tuesday, starting at 6 p.m. This one's at Tony's Darts Away. It's Ogopogo Brewing Night. These guys just opened up in San Gabriel, and they're bringing their beers to the San Fernando Valley for you to try. They got a few good ones on. I've tried a few of them. They're delicious. Really like this brewery. You should definitely try them out. Head over to Tony's. Have a good time.
Yep. All right, coming up next, Saturday, October 13th, we have 2 anniversary celebrations happening in the north part of Los Angeles. First one happening at Hand Brewed in Chatsworth. They're celebrating their 4th anniversary. This one sounds really, really cool. They just added some really special VIP tickets for $25. Second anniversary happening is 14 Cannons, celebrating 1 year. This one is a free event. They're going to be having some beer releases, some special glassware for purchase. Sounds like a great time out in Westlake. Check them out.
Yeah, cheers to Hand Brewed. Cheers to 14 Cannons. Cheers to LA Beer.
Yep.
All right, then on Saturday, October 13th, starting at 12 p.m., it's a dual can release. El Segundo and State collabed on 2 different beers. El Segundo is releasing a hazy IPA, and State is releasing a West Coast IPA. And they're having a big party at both breweries to celebrate the occasion. It's 80s themed. Everybody loves an 80s party,
Absolutely.
right? And they're going to have a shuttle bus running between the two breweries, so you can hit them both up in the same day and pick up cans of both beers. Highly recommend jumping on that. It's on Saturday. You got your plans, so do it.
All right, next up, happening Sunday, October 14th, starting at 11 a.m., Mikkeller in downtown Los Angeles is having a Great Notion Tap Takeover. Wouldn't expect anything less from Mikkeller. Another tap takeover of a brewery that you never get to see in Los Angeles. This time, it's more than a handful of Great Notion beers on tap, from hazy IPAs to sours to imperial stouts. Just a nice collection of brews from Great Notion. Try them all out.
Yes.
All right, so that does it for this week's events. Let's head into the preview section.
Previews.
What do we got coming up first?
Yeah, so on October 20th at 12 p.m., it's the Taste of SoCal Beer Fest. It's going down right on the water in Long Beach. This one's presented by Craft Beer Kings. If you don't know about them, they're a bottle shop, online beer retailer, and they get access to some of the best beers around, and you'll know it by looking at this brewery list. General admission tickets are $45, VIP are $100, and that's going to get you some really special access with some really special beers. So definitely consider it, but either way, you're going to go.
All right, that same day, October 20th, starting at 1 p.m., Southland Beer in Koreatown is celebrating 3 awesome years. We love the Southland Beer team. They're putting on a bunch of special beers for this one, from Beechwood, Bottle Logic, Celador, Chapman, Hill Farmstead. The list goes on. $5 special draft pours going on all day. Check out Southland Beer.
All right, also on Saturday the 20th, Dope and Dank is celebrating their 4-year anniversary with Takeover at Indie Brewing Company.
Ding.
So not too many details on this one as of yet. It's starting at 4 p.m., so you can probably hit a couple of these other events and then go to Indie later on in the day and celebrate 4 years with them. They're all about kind of bridging cultural diversity in the craft beer community, and who doesn't support that? So head over to Indie, celebrate 4 years with Dope and Dank. Cheers to you guys.
Cheers. All right, next up, happening Saturday, November 17th, it's the Casks Not Dead Fest 2018, hosted by Yorkshire Square Brewery. This one is an invitational beer festival featuring real cask-style ales, put on by Andy Black of Yorkshire Square, evangelist of real cask ale, putting on a really, really awesome fest that's showcasing, the future of cask-style ales and also the traditional styles. Early bird tickets, $35, VIP, $60. We'll be talking about this one in the weeks to come. For now, it's on your radar. Buy tickets. So that does it for this episode of Events on Tap. Thanks so much for tuning in. See you guys next week. Drink indie
and drink local.